So in this video, we will be talking about some basic concepts of aliases. So what aliases is and the reason behind using this concept in the query. So aliases is basically used to give a table or a column name in a table. This is a temporary name basically. You can consider it as a nickname given to a person. Like if there is a person named as Rameswaram, and the local people call him as Ramu. So Ramu is his nickname provided by the local people. It makes him much easier to be called. So like this, aliases are often used to make the column names more readable. And keep one thing in mind that these aliases exist for the duration of the query only. So let's see this concept practically here. Let's write a statement like here. I will show the customer name as customer and delivery address as address. So let's write the statement. So select customer name as customer, comma, delivery address should be wait, as address. So this is the query how you can write using the aliases. So you can see the customer name is now rendered as customer and delivery address is now rendered as address only. But remember, this is not permanent. When I will again select star from orders, you can see there that here it would be customer details, it would be address, delivery address. So this is the temporary name I provide for my purpose. Like I made these two columns more understandable. Okay. So now suppose I want this delivery address named as delivery space address. So I expect some errors when I will execute this query, and as I thought it throws an error here. So the way to sort this problem is when you are including a space in a column name in a aliases, you need to put that column name in a single quote. So now when you run this query, it will not throw any kind of error and it will go well. You can see. So this is the concept of aliases. Hope you guys understood this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.